Yes, my mensa. It's your boy, Riyadh. Guys, quick. Doing a taste test. Sushi. Um, Fisherways. Oh shit, I don't know how to use this three stick sushi from Fisherways. Taste test. This is the tempered prawn. Oliver's what? I can't say that name. Ik ken mos nie die wit mense goed nie, man. So yeah, guys, going to the barbecue sauce. No? Dup. Please watch my video. Link in bio. Link here on the screen. Link wherever. Click. Watch. Watch the taste test review. Banani fish kak. Fish and nut. Let's go. I don't know what's this, guys. I just see it's green and orange. Let's go. Jet Li, what's up?
These people are too clever.
Kamate. It's nice, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Link will be down below. Let's get it.